We have to assemble truck. Don't stop. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Pull the lever down to lower it. That's all. Let's take this old house away. We need to wash truck. We need to assemble garbage truck. Keep up the good work. It's time to fuel garbage truck. That's all. Let's get rid of the trash. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble drop side truck. Ready. Help the car reach its destination. Drag the part to the right place. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. That's all. Let's get the foundation and the stream ready. Let's wash. Drop side truck. Drop side truck. Keep it up. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Amazing! Let's build the machines. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Ready. Assemble. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on the objects one by one to remove them from the road. Pull the lever down to lower it. That's all. Let's build the walls. Let's wash. Drop side truck. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep it up. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Ready. Let's build the water wheel. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! We have to assemble. Lift crane. That's all. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Keep up the good work. Let's place the roof. We need to wash. Lift crane. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Done! Let's place the windows and doors. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep it up. We need to assemble. Paver. Keep up the good work. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Drag the part to its place. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Done! Let's start building the road. Let's wash. Paver. roller, You're doing really great. It's time to fuel. Roller, we did it! Let's finish the road. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Drag the grinding tool over the stain and it will clean the rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Keep it up. We need to assemble. Lift crane. Keep it up. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the objects to clear the way. We did it! Let's place the bridge. We need to wash. Lift crane. Drag the foamer onto the machine to soap it up. Move the foamer around the machine to foam the machine. Over the machine to clean up the rest of the foam. We need to assemble. Pickup truck. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Pickup truck. We did it! Let's decorate our mill. The new watermill is complete. You're doing a great job. Hooray!